just a surface find. Don't know if you can see that. Nib of a pen, I think, isn't it? It's not old, I don't think. It says the words Southern Stainless. So no, it's not old. What's that say on there? It says Southern anyway, and it says the word stainless, so definitely not old. But a find's a find. Well, my wife's very pleased with herself. Yeah, I'll just put you on her. Yeah, look what she just found. Surface find. There's a 20p a piece. Isn't she good? 20p. Another surface find. Just here. Pin of some sort. There's also some gold colour down here as well. Don't know whether it is or not. It's down there. Is that gold? Surely not. Well, it's gold in colour. Well, I think it's part of a fossil of some sort. It's definitely gold, and it's heavy as well. But I don't think it's gold as in gold. That would be really funny if it was. There's another bit there. There's another eyes only. Just there. I have got my pinpointer as well, so I'm just going to put my pinpointer over it. See if it's metal. It certainly looks metal. Oh yes. It's also a gold colour as well. Now then, that is I wouldn't even know what that is, but it is a gold colour. And is that the shape of an animal? Could that be an old coin? It's heavy. Or could it just be a bit of brass? Yeah, a bit of brass. I don't know. I might have to have a look into that one when I get home. Give it a little bit of a clean up and see whether it comes up fully gold. In colour, that is. That would be very interesting. Very interesting indeed. It's certainly coming up a nice shiny colour. So let's have a little look around this area. Another surface find, literally eyes only, no pinpointer or anything. There's a spring there and what looks like a 303 casing. Yeah. Just another little scrape around. 4-hole button with a couple of links, and they were literally just from a finger scraping over there, not using a pinpoint. There's another eyes only. See a little coin or coin shape. Oh, it's a button. Got a nice pattern on it. Looks like a button. Oh, very nice. I thought it was a coin to start with. It's another button. Interesting. Okay, move that out of the way. Move that out of the way. I don't know if I can get in any closer, but just in there. And just there we've got a coin. It looks like a modern day 5p. It's a modern day 5p. So, just found that somewhere around here. And look, I'll just move this. Something gold colour. Probably a button. Oh, actually, it's not a button. Or is it a button?
Oh.
Is it a button?
Or not a button?
Just let me just keep that there a second and get my toothbrush out. Do you know what? I don't think it is. I think it's a coin. I think that's a coin, or part of a coin. I can't see where the holes would have been if it is a button. So I think what I'll have to do is, without scrubbing it too much, is have a look at that when I get home. Well, another surface find. I won't say too much because there's some people around. Now, is that a ring? Or is it just a key ring? It's a key ring. Worth a try. Never mind.